Assalamu alaikum. Today I would like to speak about a unique topic. Reprogram your mind for marriage. We are all aware how several factors and circumstances affect our life and the various decisions we take. Therefore, we need to reprogram our mind and channel it to find the spouse you are looking for. Your brain records so much of information from the past experience and what is happening around you. Remember, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has created us as human beings. You have been made with this brain which can plan, organize, and execute what you plan. Animals and birds, for that matter, have been programmed differently by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. For example, they are programmed to migrate during winter. Nothing will stop this. But humans, on the other hand, have been given choices. You need to believe that you are worth it. Reactivate elements inside you that will help you believe in yourself. Believe you are lovable and you will find someone lovable. Don't wait for things like, I will wait until I look right, feel right, and then I will marry. I will marry once I finish my education, when I save some money, or once I have a house, or once I lose some weight, and so on. Do not wait to be a perfect person and find a perfect spouse. Trust me, there is never someone who is perfect. There are a few negative triggers like this. Family background. You are ashamed of where you come from. I really do not believe that anyone should affect you negatively. You need to take the support of your family. Your parents, your siblings, and you need to work together. Coming from the background we come, parents have programmed their children towards education. I'm sure most of the Desi parents will agree to this. Since our children are small, nothing else but education is our priority. So this in turn leads to good jobs and financial stability in future. Now, I'm not saying that this is bad, but at some point when a child achieves a particular age, we need to program them for marriage. We need to explain to them during discussion that this is the sunnah of the Prophet and every Muslim is recommended to do it. Secondly, weight and height. I've heard people saying, I'm so heavy, I'm too short. We have to break the trend in society. I have told boys, come and tell me, I would love to marry a short girl as I always fantasized a short girl. Or I have a thin boy who comes and says, I would like to marry a girl who is not lean. So do not worry, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has created someone out there for you. Love yourself and love your body. Don't compare yourself with anyone, be it friends or family members. You may believe they are perfect and you want to be like them. But trust me, the truth is far from it. Negative thinking could be an immense hurdle. Change your attitude. If you had a negative experience in the past or had a bad marriage or seen a bad marriage of your parents, you need to change the way you think. You need to work on your subconscious mind. Change your feeling, and this will start affecting your response to marriage. Let me give you a few suggestions or 4 steps that you need to take. First, find out how marriage works. You have to do some research and see if this is really what you want to do. And are you ready to do it? Do istikhara and ask for the blessings from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and have a strong belief that you will succeed. Second, work towards making it happen. You have to put some effort. This is the phase where you will make your hands dirty, as we call it. You will make a profile. Learn how to make an impressive profile. Take some good pictures of yourself, and even if it means taking help from a professional to get it done. 3. Find a good professional organization like Muslim Matrimonial that will help you in your journey to find a compatible spouse. 4. Strive hard and achieve your goal. Do not worry about failures. Failure is a stepping stone towards success. You are the star of your life. So if you need to be very, very positive and do not worry of what people will think or say. If you have benefited from my video, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you are notified about my next video. Have a blessed day.